Play Dolls channel. Oh no! That's a disaster! Oh, it's such a mess. I have to clean the whole house. Oh, it's terrible. Yikes. Now let's clean the pot. And we are ready here. Let's go on with the cleaning. No more parties at home. So much garbage everywhere. Oh, yikes. Now let's wash the glasses. What a mess. Let's clean the floor. house is clean again! Yay! Hooray!
Thank you, guys.
Oh wow! It's great! Oh wow!
Ho ho ho! We are already here. Now let's go and wake up Katie. She's still sleeping. I have to wake her up. Katie, get up!
Hey!
Ho 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 ho! Happy Halloween, Katie! I decorated the house for you. You have to see it. Ho 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 ho!
Oh really? Skeleton, you are the best! Happy Halloween! Oopsie! Come on, let's go and see what you have done.
Well, that's it, Katie. Do you like it?
Oh wow! It's amazing! Yes, 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 yes! Oh wow! I love it! Thank you, sweetie! Oh...
Katie, be careful with my bones.
Oh, I want one more time!
Oh. Katie, I have one more surprise for you. Wait for me here.
Oh, I wonder what is it?
That's your special Halloween costume. Ho 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 ho.
Oh wow!
And now we are ready.
Happy Halloween! Ah! Someone's coming! Trick or treat!
Dancing bones and bones and bones and dancing bones and bones and bones and dancing bones doing the skeleton dance. The foot
Oh, yummy! Thank you!
leg bone, leg bones connected to
Oh, someone else is coming!
bone, the knee bones connected to
Happy Halloween! Trick or treat!
doing the skeleton dance.
Oh, what a nice decoration!
Connected to the hip bone, the hip
Happy Halloween, girls!
to the
Ah!
backbone. The backbone's connected to the neck bone. Doing the
Trick or
skeleton
treat.
dance. Shake your hands to the left,
I'll sit down here.
to the right. Hands in the air. Put your hands out of sight.
Happy Halloween, boys and girls.